Carlisle IT is your end-to-end partner for high-performance interconnect solutions. Watch how easy it is to download a free CAD model of the product you need right from the website. From Carlisle IT's homepage, go to Products, Connectors and Accessories, and then click High-Speed Data Connectors. Select the product series you need. Scroll down to the product catalog, and then select the product model you'd like to download. Here you can adjust the product specs while the catalog builds a custom product number on the fly. Click to update the 3D viewer, and then scroll down to view the entire window. You can move, zoom, and rotate the part to view it from any angle. Scroll back to the top of the catalog. You can choose to download a 3D PDF datasheet that includes a 3D viewer, technical drawings, and a bill of materials. To download a CAD model, click Generate CAD. Click Add Formats. Here you can choose from over 150 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works natively in your CAD software. Then click Start Generation. Once the file has loaded, click Download. For more CAD downloads and quality solutions, visit CarlisleIT.com and check out PartSolutions.com to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.